Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is House for Naturals. Welcome guys. So this is freshly washed hair, which I'm going to twist with my DIY shea butter mix and my DIY oil mix. I will do a video of it very soon. So I sectioned my hair and try to detangle in sections to make it very easy for me to detangle. I add my oil, a little bit of my oil to the hair, and I do that by trying to stretch the hair with my fingers as I detangle the hair. To prevent more shedding, I decide to use my fingers to detangle. So you see me massaging the oil through my hair, separating them to detangle the hair, as well as detangling the edges. Oil to the hair, to the ends, and work it to the roots by making sure the hair is well detangled before I twist them. I massage through to make sure the hair is really coated with your butter and the oil. Adding more butter as I need to. So I start by doing a box braid under to get the hair, the twist more secured in place. I do about 3 to 4 box braid under before I twist to the edge of the hair. So you see me twisting as I smooth the hair with my fingers to make sure they are well detangled. Once I'm done, I cut the edge off with my scissors. I do cut the end to prevent frizz. Make sure my ends are well protected. They are smooth, straight, and it also prevents frizz when you have a smooth and fine edges. So I move to the other section of the hair. I detangle from the ends, separate the hair to detangle it, go to the roots, detangle it, smoothing it with my fingers. Then I apply my butter from the ends, work it through to the roots, making sure the hair is well coated with my butter. I separate them to get all the nuts out. Then I do a box braid under and twist to the edge. So my hair is still wet as I braid. Make sure your hair is wet as you braid so that it can seal in the oil and the butter you are applying. I move to the other section of the hair. detangle, add my butter, and twist it, making a box braid under and twisting it away as you smoothen it along. So the first half of the hair is done already. I'll move to the other half of the hair, then I'll show you the results. So this is the results of my hair, my twists. I don't have any intentions of going out, so I'll be keeping this twist for a while. I apply my oil to the roots. I have a video of my DIY oil and shea butter, which will be coming up very soon. This is the back of the hair. You see my hair is so moisturized. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye.